Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install TickTick on Mac step by step. TickTick is a powerful task management and to-do list app that helps you organize tasks, plan projects, set reminders, and stay productive. This tutorial works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to ticktick.com. I'll also leave the website link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click Download in the top right corner of the page. From the download options, choose Download for macOS. When prompted, save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the TickTick installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the TickTick app into the Applications folder. This will copy TickTick to your Mac. When it's finished, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open Applications and double-click TickTick to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When TickTick launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions like notifications or file access. Make sure to allow these so everything works properly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. You can sign in using your email or Google account, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TickTick on your Mac. You're now ready to manage tasks, plan your day, and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.